I'm starting the day off a little bit heavy. Who knows what is going to happen? Not really a bunch happening as far as outside news. Brexit is weighing on Europe, which is probably why we're down slightly. Basically, Boris Johnson has tried to, I don't know if he was successful or not, but suspend Parliament, making it tougher for them to do their procedural stuff to avoid the hard Brexit. So that sent sterling down. That put a lot of pressure on the Eurozone stocks in general. Italy has its normal problems. And then, let's see who gets to tweet first today about the U.S.-China trade war. But really, there's not a whole lot going on. There's a couple Fed speakers, but they're later in the day, if not after the close. I don't expect much to come from that.